Hey everyone, it's Alexandria.
And Michael.
Welcome to Never Better Club.
Today we're going to attempt the Buldak 3X Spicy Ramen.
And we are going to see if we can handle the heat of 2 chocolate Primatalis with it.
So today we're excited to take on the Buldak 3X Spicy Ramen. It's been over a year since we've done this.
Yeah, I can't even remember if it's that hot or if it's going to burn us or, this will be like a new experience basically to us. But to make it hotter, even if we do feel the heat, even if it is hot, regardless, we are going to be eating 2 of the world's hottest peppers. Truly, some of the world's hottest peppers you can get your hands on. These are chocolate Primatalis. Johnny Scoville is terrified of these. Most chili heads are kind of afraid of these because they have some of the most intense building heat that is known to man from eating raw peppers. I have eaten many of these in my life. I'm not sure. I think Michael may have had one, and we were trying to figure that out before this video, but this could be a first for him technically. I'm not sure. These don't get served at pepper eating competitions. They are not as common as, say, your Carolina Reaper or your chocolate Bootla pepper or your Trinidad Moruga Scorpion. These are a little more special. So I promise you guys, you are going to see us burn hard today. These are hot peppers. When I can say from experience, when you first eat them, the only thought you have is, hey, this isn't that bad. It's really not that bad. And then you continue to eat the pepper. You get to the placenta, you swallow everything, and you begin to wait. And after about a minute, you realize how hot this pepper, it continues to get hotter. I mean, you realize how hot this pepper is. So I mean, I hope you can see well on this camera here. Look how gnarly they are. I hope they're well in focus is what I'm saying. But absolutely stunning alien looking peppers here, but beautiful phenotypes. And these are grown by Derek at Burn Request 3D. And he was so kind to ship me a whole box of gorgeous peppers. And these are just one type that he sent me. He sent me many different types of peppers. So we're excited to try these today and see how hot they actually are.
Awesome. Well, first we need to cook some ramen.
Let's get to it. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
And we're back.
All right.
Michael.
Beautiful ramen here.
Yeah, Michael has made us some lovely ramen. I'm so excited to try this. So
Smells hot.
Yeah, it actually smells hot. My mouth is watering. My nose is kind of tickly from the heat that I smell. What did you add? You added a little chili crunch, some extra spice.
No, no.
Oh, you didn't?
No, the only thing we really added was
ooh, it's hot. Look
seeds,
at that.
so.
It's steaming.
Yeah,
I put sesame seeds in because I like a little crunch. But okay. All right, let this cool down for just a second, and then we can eat it. I love this style of ramen where there's no broth. And am I nervous right now? A little bit. We're gonna eat some chocolate Primatalis after this.
I think I'm mostly nervous about the Primotalii.
We'll see how this goes.
We'll see. It does smell really hot.
All right, 3, 2, 1, cheers. Mmm.
Mm. A little bit of spice from that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay, it's worth talking about because there's detectable heat.
For sure.
I feel like I'm gonna choke. Oh wow, that's really impressive. I just don't remember it being hot at all. Or maybe.
Yeah, I already feel some sweat.
Yeah,
here, so.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, this is fun. This is exciting. Totally unexpected. Totally unexpected. Really cool. It tastes good. You know, it's good tasting. I don't mind the taste at all. I've heard people in the past say, oh, this doesn't taste as good as the 2X, but I think it's good. It's really, really pleasant to be able to detect heat from something commercially available when you're like Michael and I.
I think it's really tasty. Today is Ramen Monday. We eat ramen every Monday. Typically, I make ramen from scratch for Alexandra, so this is kind of, it's different.
I like these noodles too. They're kind of spongy, and
I don't do dry ramen either, so this is very different. Yeah, this is hot. I have some lip burn going on for sure.
I don't have any lip burn, but I breathed in just a minute ago while I was taking my first bite, and I tickled the back of my throat, so my throat burns a little bit.
Yeah, definitely has some heat.
So I'm contemplating now what path to take. I think I'm gonna take another big bite of this, and then I'm gonna eat that. And then really burn for the rest of this bowl of ramen.
Yeah,
you know
I think it's really gonna light us up here.
Ooh, yeah. There's no option. Like, it's gonna absolutely light both of us up.
I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. That pepper looks, oh my gosh, looks like a beast.
This ramen is so good. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. It really is good. I'm enjoying myself. Okay, good stir fry ramen. Really fun. Let's kick it up a notch. See if we can get Michael to start sweating real hard.
I definitely have some sweat going on here.
Okay, I'm gonna do this for you guys too. Pardon me. I'm gonna switch plates here and cut this. Give this a little a directional cut here so you can see the inside of what one of these beautiful, absolutely stunning peppers looks like.
Yeah, this 3X ramen's no joke. I mean, I definitely have a nice sweat forming. It's good to get some of me before I eat the pepper.
Yes, it definitely is.
Just to kind of have it roll.
Well, I think it's exciting because you get to taste the burn of the ramen, but then we're gonna create some artificial burn here. Oh my goodness, the smell, you guys, is so pungent. Like, it's so intense. All right, I'm trying my best not to touch this with my bare hands. I really should have gloves on. I want you to see though. Wow, look at that! Very few seeds.
Yeah, it's very.
And I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna grab a few seeds from inside here because Derek, from Burner Quest 3D, grows some very hot peppers. And I'm sure he wouldn't mind at all if I took a few. So hoping to maybe grow some chocolate Primatalis next year. I think that they're just stunning peppers. They're absolutely incredible. And I don't need a ton because I've got a few more. But grab a few of these buds, little babies from inside here, and we'll get to work.
Wow.
This is harder than it looks, by the way. There. They're coming out.
Got a nice sweat going here.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy, Michael. Here we go.
Yep.
Right? Right. Do you want to cut your pot or you just want to eat it? They're fresh. I wouldn't worry about browning or anything.
I'm just gonna take a bite of it here, so.
All right, let's do it. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Oh. I have fiddled around.
No prep game today.
I know. It's true. Boy, this could be bad. There she is. What a beautiful pepper. And 3, 2, 1, cheers.
Ooh. I'm gonna take some pod.
I love them. Let's go.
Oh, the sweat's really starting to form.
Oh my god. So deceptive right now.
Oh my gosh. It's just coming down. I'm sweating so hard right now.
Oh, that's it. Dirty sweat.
Oh man. Wow.
Hot dog.
Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm sweating hard. Woo, full reaction today.
Oh.
Wow. All right, a little bit left of the pepper. Goodness.
Well, it's really hard to form words around the intensity of that pepper. What it is, you know? It's a monster of pepper. I gotta eat really bite food. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh. Everything burns.
Oh, all right. 3X. Buldak.
Wow.
Chocolate Primotalii. No relief, no milk. Just burn. Lots of sweat. Wow.
My mouth is on fire. It's so hot. Wow. It's really hard to form words right now.
Really hard to
It
concentrate.
actually is hard to talk.
Ooh.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I gotta stop saying wow. My throat's on fire. Back of my tongue is on fire.
I'm sweating so hard right now.
I feel like I'm gonna get hiccups again. It's intense.
Wow.
It is brutal.
Wow.
My God. I gotta get you some napkins. Here. Take this. I think when I finish, we should cut the video, grab milk and drink it on camera and then talk. I think we should. Because then we can talk more about the pepper and like what it's like.
Oh, I'm sweating so hard.
I have to get it up. The food is hot still. And it hurts so bad. Oh my gosh. Wow. Talk about spicy ramen.
Wow.
This is the hottest ramen in the world right now. It's so bad. This is hot. Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Chocolate Primotalii. Oh, excuse me.
Oh. Oh,
Oh man.
I love that pepper so much.
I'm
It's
so
still one of my favorite peppers.
Wow. Well, yeah, I can feel it in my stomach for sure. Yeah.
Pause. Let's pause the video. What do you say?
Are you done eating?
No, pause the video.
Okay.
Grab 2 milks, and then we'll resume. I won't eat anything until Michael gets back. All right, pause.
Whew, all right.
Okay, we're back. Michael has milk. I have to finish my ramen. No relief.
That chocolate Primotalii was next level. I definitely got like spacey from the capsaicin. Cheers. Mm.
Oh, it hurts so bad. My eyes instantly water back up.
Whew.
Oh, I'm so jealous you drinking milk.
I really enjoyed that ramen. If you don't want to finish it, I'll finish it for you.
I gotta do it for the channel. I gotta do it because people are gonna be like, you didn't finish it.
It was Ramen Monday. As I said, we eat ramen every Monday now for years. I usually make it from scratch. And going into this, you know, that is hot. The 3X is definitely hot.
My throat is on fire right now.
And then the Primotalii on top of it. No prep. As a result, you know, today this is lunch, so.
It is hard to eat food after you eat that pepper.
For sure.
Dang.
That was a very hot combo there.
How would you describe the heat of that pepper?
Maybe
compare it to the noodles. Like a number and a number, I don't know.
Oh, maybe 20x the heat of the noodles. Maybe more than that. Ooh.
I would give the noodles a 3. I would give out of 10. I would give that pepper, and I said this last year, I remember I said the same thing. That pepper was a 9 out of 10 heat.
Oh, yeah.
It's as hot as they get. I say 9 out of 10 because nature is amazing, and nature can always do more than what you imagine. Nothing is impossible with Mother Nature. So there are hotter peppers than the one I just ate, but I don't know if I've tasted them, really. I mean, my mouth is still on fire. It is insane. And my gut's on fire. You are just sweating
I can't stop sweating.
hard.
Yeah.
The fact that I got hiccups says a lot from that pepper after I had eaten a little bit of this raw.
Delicious though. It wasn't floral. It was just delicious.
I think the chocolate Primotalii is very underrated, and it is one of the less floral chocolate peppers. It's all heat. It's just a hot pepper. But that is why I stand by the fact that the mustard Primotalii is my favorite pepper on the planet Earth.
Can't say that.
No floral. Yes, you haven't, but we're going to be eating them here on Never Better Club.
Nice.
No floral, pure heat. Hotter than this. Marginally, but hotter.
Excuse me. Pepper burp.
There we go. Oh, I am so excited.
I really do think that if you ate just the 3X and a chocolate Primotalii, you would cramp.
Oh yeah.
The milk is really more for the stomach than anything.
It's great to mention that. It's for the stomach.
Yeah.
It doesn't help the mouth.
After this, I'll have probably a banana, just to kind of help. Again, post prep is almost more important than pre prep.
That's really good.
Good milk, cold milk.
Cheers to that. And I think it's time for us to go.
All right.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you soon. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed today's burn. Bye.
Take care.